Up Friday.
Game ulit. One.
Catch Up Fridays. Week 6. Reading
Enhancement.
Enhancement.
Ment.
May 10, 2024.
Apo.
Let's read sight words.
List.
3. No, it's out. So, see 1.
Wait. A game. Ito.
Oh, this no?
A game na. Basahin na.
Let's read sight words. List 3. So, then, has
Ulit.
many.
Ano to? Some.
Some, then, has many, them, like.
Very good. Dedicated
reading time.
Very good. Ito muna sa taas. Early morning. Gina
Woke up early. She looked out of the window. The sun was shining
brightly. Shining brightly.
The sky was clear and blue. It's bright day. Gina said as she jumped out of bed.
Oh, baliktad.
Early morning, she combed her
Comb. Sinuklay niya daw yung hair niya. Comb. Hair.
Then went to the garden where father was working.
Very good.
Ikot ko na baso.
Next na.
Early morning,
I'll help
you, father. Gina said. No, Gina, come here, take care of your baby sister while I go to the market. Mother said. Question. Susulatin ko.
Basahin mo na.
Question. What kind of the day was it? A. Rainy day. B. Windy day. C. Bright day.
Anong letter?
A.
Anong letter?
C.
Okay, sulat mo muna.
Sa Baguio, mami. Ang daming tao sa Baguio. Kasi mga doon malamig.
Opo.
Favorite din ang malamig.
Opo. Number 2.
Ay. What was clear and blue? A. The day. B. The sky. C. The sun.
Ano sagot?
The sky.
Number 3 na.
Who was in the garden? A. Father. C. Mother. B. Baby.
Ano sagot?
Father.
Okay.
Diba yung sa garden may father?
Opo. Sulat mo na yung number 3.
Please.
Next.
What Gina want to do
A.
A. Help mother. B. Help father. C. Play in the garden. Play in the garden.
Anong sagot?
Play in the garden.
Ano daw yung gusto ni Gina gawin?
Play in the
Garden?
garden.
Okay, sige.
Number 5. Where was mother going? To school, to the market, to the garden, to the market.
Okay. Sulat na.